All right, folks, we've been parked here at Jody's brother's house in upstate New York for about a week now on a little vacay, and we've used that time to get some Amazon products and do some upgrades and add-ons to the RV to make it a little bit easier, because when you can make life easier, why not, right? And this is one of the things we did. We added this so that we could have a Bluetooth key fob for getting in the RV instead of acting like we're 100 years old and using keys, right? Technology is beautiful, I know. So, I got that on. Right there. Looks wonderful, is wonderful. And I'll show you a few more things we did on the inside. And everything that's on this video, we'll have links in the description, all the Amazon products. So if there's something that you would like to get for your RV, or for your car, or for your truck, you've got the links right in the description. Just click on them and go for it. Hey Jody, what do you got there?
Hey John! Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, I noticed you got a little newfangled thing on your lap there. What is that?
I got myself a lap desk.
What?
What?
They make those?
They sure do.
Is it Amazon?
It is.
Oh my.
I've got a little bar here that keeps my computer in place.
A very small drink holder?
I'm not really sure what that is. But we'll ignore that for now. It's a good handle.
Nice little beanbag bottom.
It is. It's very squishy.
Wow.
It's like one of those pillows you use like on an airplane or something.
Oh yeah.
You know? But it's nice.
So you can sit up front while I'm driving and you can
Yes.
type right next to me and do your little email things.
I've been keeping my computer in my lap, but that angles down. You know, your legs angle down, so
Right.
it's not a great way to work all day. So this is much more comfortable.
I sound like I'm 80 years old. I said, do your little email things.
Yes. I'm getting on the interweb.
The interweb, yes. The worldwide?
No, just local.
Alright, so you guys, if you don't know, you need to get a gel foam topper for your mattress, because these mattresses aren't very comfortable. So we got a 3-inch foam topper, and it's beautiful.
Lovely. It smells good.
Yeah, it smells horrible, but that stink will dissipate. Paper towel holder.
Self-adhesive, making sure it's sticking.
Looks right about there.
Paper towels. Installation complete.
Wow. Here's our new and improved map of America, and we've stayed in 27 out of 50 so far. Working our way up. After we get back from Europe, we're going to hit these states up here and knock them all out. Head back to California, knock all those out, so we'll probably have about 5 or 6 left. And this bad boy right here is probably the last thing we'll talk about on this video, because we're running kind of long. We noticed that when we're parked, we're boondocking, we're dry docking. Unless we have the generator on, we can't plug into the outlets. They don't work. The 110 outlets. The USBs will work, but the 110s don't. So we got one of these to plug into the cigarette lighter up front in the cab and stretch back here, and boom, you got a 110 outlet back here for your fan or your toaster or whatever you want. Charging your big laptop, because mine won't charge off USB. I actually have to have it plugged in with my box. So yeah, Amazon, check it out. Link down below. So if you saw anything you liked, like I said, the links are in the description below. Amazon products. I mean, Amazon's the best, right? You get everything. You get a car on Amazon. We're going to be in Europe for a week, so we're not going to be posting a bunch of videos, but I still will get videos out to you every Wednesday and Saturday, just like normal. And then about a week and a half from now, I'll start posting our Europe videos, which will be very cool. So we'll be back on the road in not too long, and we'll see you out there. Be safe, everybody.